All right, guys, so I'm here with the one and only Jason Rose, who has come all the way out from Colorado to join us here for this event here in Chicago at Car Supplies Warehouse. Jason, how's it been?
It's been very strange and interesting.
Have you ever done this before?
I've never done anything like this. It's been absolutely strange to me.
Yeah. No.
But it's been amazing as well. And I was telling somebody earlier that there are opportunities in our industry for people to get together, like at SEMA and Mobile Tech Expo and Southern Detailers Conference. But this particular event has brought together a group of people that I've never seen in the same building before.
I'm in 100% agreement with you. Yes.
It's been amazing. It's like who's who of the industry, or like.
Yeah, and me and you, we've been to a lot of detailing events together, right? We've gone to a lot of different places, whether it's SEMA, whether it's IDA parties, whatever it could be, right? We've gone to Colorado, we've gone to the facility over at Rupes, and we've had some really fun times, right? But this is something we haven't seen with, again, like Ivan said, or actually Rennie said, this many selfie sticks and this many cameras and this many individual lights on phones and microphones and everything like that. And not even at SEMA do we see it to this extent, but we're here under one roof with all this craziness.
Never had so many cameras and microphones stuffed in my face.
And you love it, of course, right?
I enjoy most of it.
He enjoys most of it. And so Jason's a pro, and so I think that pretty much anything he says on camera or off camera, people really respect it, and people love seeing you out here because you have made such an impact in the industry, and you've also taught so many people so many different techniques when it's come to polishing and sanding and just detailing in general. And so for Rupes, what were you guys doing out here? You guys were teaching a few different creators. Was it polishing techniques? Was it tips, tricks?
Oh my gosh, it's been such a blur the last 2 days. I'm like, what topics did I teach?
Everybody's kind of blacked out. It's been a lot, right? We had a lot of information.
Yeah, we covered a lot of topics, but a lot of it seemed to be because of the influencers and the creators that are here. Their topics tend to be things that they get hit with, all the questions and the comments they get from people. So that's what our topics tended to be shaped towards. So we did a lot of stuff like what's the first polisher recommendation out of the whole Rupes line? What would be the first purchase for somebody who has never polished before? So we did some of that. Yeah. And then some of our new products, there was focus on those, like the iBird Mini, the Uno Advance, the Reveal Light, Reveal Strong. So those were kind of topics, new products. And then as far as tools, we did a topic on rotary, because there seems to be a kind of a renaissance, a refocusing on rotary. I
think so, right? And they were saying that Jason's wife learned how to use a rotary just a little bit ago for the first time, and I'm like, that's pretty amazing, right? That's pretty cool.
So that was a topic, and when should I use a rotary over a random orbital, and things like that. So it was all great discussions.
Yeah. No, and I think that the different formats and the different way creators are shooting content as well. It's kind of like how can you get this information out pretty quick, because people are changing sets constantly and everything in between. And when you'll come to the rag company, we might shoot videos all day about 3-4 videos, right? You might come out to TR SEMA and we have maybe a time slot, or we have an idea on how this is working out. Some of these people are coming into the game with questions they've already kind of had from people, and they go, this is the topic we need to cover. I want to talk about this. And you go, well, how do I fit all this polishing knowledge into something short format
in a few minutes,
just a few minutes. But I think with you being here and you being able to at least guide people in a couple different directions with saying, hey, maybe start out with the LHR 15 over the 21, maybe starting out with maybe the 75 before you jump into maybe the Mini, unless you need the actual Mini. There's all these different devices that you can give, but I just gotta say that seeing you here is awesome. Seeing live in here, seeing Rennie here, seeing people that have been in the industry for so long, and seeing people that are new to the industry, it's cool to see them come together and still hungry for knowledge, because I think it kind of revives and revitalizes some of us. I've been talking towels for 7 years now, and I had several discussions today where I'm like, I like talking towels with people, right? And this is fun again. I actually feel like I'm helping people again, and it's kind of cool to see. And so, would you come back next year?
Oh, absolutely. You know, one of the values I got out of this last couple of days, for me personally, it's just my own perspective, but these content creators, I've seen them on YouTube videos and things like that, but this, for most of them, this is the first time I've actually met them and talked to them directly. And that was fabulous for me to actually meet them. And the other thing that was valuable to me was I got a close-up view of the challenges that they face. So we went through things like, you know, the mic doesn't work, and, you know, camera angle's not right, and we got, we didn't have that right product in the right place, so we got to, you know, we got to redo that. And so all that side of it, which I'm, you know, in the past, I'm told, show up here, stand on that X, and talk about this, and then I leave, you know. But to see this whole other side, and to like experience some of their struggles, like, you know, I ran out of space on this
SD card. I got to unload this footage. I need to do this.
And we got 3 mics going, but one of the batteries died, and you know, it's like, this is it's not as easy as I thought it was.
It's not as easy, and that's why I mean I really respect them for putting in so much effort and putting in so much work. And I will say that when you do watch the videos, after everything is said and done, you wouldn't know that there were struggles, but heck, there is struggles, right?
Yes.
And detailing videos and making detailing content, especially for many of you that are detailers watching this, we're picky people, right? I think we're all picky people. We expect a certain particular outcome, and we want to see the right things. And so when you know you have a picky audience, you do have to go through the extra work to make sure you're putting out good content.
Right. Yeah.
So,
good stuff.
Jason, anyways, this has been awesome, man. We're excited for dinner time. Italian spaghetti with white sauce. Or do you not want the bosses to hear this? Spaghetti with red sauce, I mean. Something like that.
Yeah, something reddish.
And so anyway, so if you guys want to pick up Rupes products, you guys want to check out anything, you guys can obviously head over here to Car Supplies Warehouse. Thank you guys so much for being able to host this event and provide this area for us to be able to do this. It's just absolutely awesome. So anyways, guys, we'll see who's next in the hot seat, and we'll catch you later.